Room Manager for Office 365, Part 3, Room Resources. This has been explained in Part 2. The rooms that you manage directly, not your Exchange rooms. These are the Room Manager rooms. For Exchange rooms, we have another video. Then we see all the room resources like layouts, equipments, catering, parking, floor plans, primarily. So the approach that you have seen for setting up the meeting rooms is exactly the same for all the other resources. As you remember in the booking form, when you select a site location for a given date and time, you will have all the resources which are enabled in the booking form. So you see here all the rooms, you see all the cars, you see the catering. As well, to each resource you see the keywords that you manage in this specific list. There's parking and there are equipments. These values, these resources are reflected in the booking form. And all you have to do again is the same approach. Just go to the site contents and explore here the resources that are available out of the box. So you see here locations and sites has been done. The site has been done. If you want to manage your cars, vehicle pooling, vehicle booking from a set of cars, you see like rooms, cars are resources, and they can be just managed here in this powerful list. You can create new cars by clicking new, add a picture, and you can edit existing cars just by highlighting the item and then go to the details pane, similar to the room management. The other one that other resources that you can manage that as well, always the same approach, nothing new to learn. For caterings, open it, and then in the caterings list, again, you see the thumbs, the images for the caterings, upload new caterings or modify existing caterings by clicking under all pictures to the list page here, highlight the record, and then just modify in the detail panes. So these are resources that you would like to use. You need to populate them on the site content. The last one may be equipments. You see here as well that we use the same approach, and it's quite easy to work with it. It might be a challenge for you to work in the modern experience, which I'm showing here to you. But if you don't feel confident, please return to classic view. I link here on the classic view, and then you see in the classic experience it looks a little bit different. Here the approach would be you don't have the task pane like in the modern experience. Here you would need to edit, to click on the edit icon, and then it opens in a new window as you see, and then you can modify here these values. You can return at any time from the modern experience to the classic experience. A very specific list is the catering order list. The catering order list is used when you have an event with an order, catering order. If somebody uses the booking form, and in the booking form they order caterings, so the user can just select here the caterings as you see at the quantity. Sorry for that. So let's say 2 times charcuterie, and then we add maybe 2 times Coca-Cola. We add sandwiches. As you see, the total is shown up here. You can remove the items as well directly from the booking form. But if this event with a catering order has been set up, it's important to know that additionally to the events calendar, there is a catering's order list. And all the events with the catering orders are added to the catering orders list with the details of the items. And one specific thing is then here that you can send the catering invoice to an email address, inbound or outbound, depending on the catering services facilities that you offer in your company. There is a specific video as well for the catering orders. We will show you that. Parking is the same, floor plans is the same, and once you feel confident setting up this, you are one step away from sharing your site to the audience.